Okay, let's first open the Word application. So I'll tap on it for it to open. Then tap on Reset tab. Alright, we are on the Recent tab. So I want to work with a template, document template. So I'll tap on the plus sign at the top right. Then this displays some options. So you can see the option. So after the blank document, there are some other templates. You can see welcome to Word. You can see take notes, make a list. So from take notes, make a list down are all templates you can use on the Word mobile on Android. Okay. So let's say I want to use the write a journal. I'll tap on it for it to open. Then I'll tap on got it. Okay, so it's trying to guide me on what I can do from here. All right. So heading one, we have title, we have heading one. So to get started right away, just tap any placeholder, placeholder text such as this and start typing. Okay, so it's guiding you on what to do. We have some pictures here. Okay, so here now, let's say I want to give this title. I'll say, let's say education journal, okay, or just education. All right, so you can see that the title has been added. So if I want to add heading, I can tap here and add a heading, but this education doesn't align well. So let's change the font size. So I'll double tap on it for it to be selected. Then I'll tap the arrow that points up at the bottom right. Okay, then the area heading 30. So I'll tap on the 30 and select a lesson number here. So let's go with 26. No, it doesn't work. I'll tap on the number again. So let's go with another lesson number 24. Good. It has entered probably. So let's say you have a heading one. So tap on the heading and give it a heading. And after that, you tap on the tick sign at the top left. All right. So for your work to be saved here, I don't want to waste time. So that's why I don't want to change all these things here. But I'm just giving you a guide on how you can do that. Okay. So to save this file on your device, in your Android phone, tap on the three dots at the top right and select save as. Then choose the location. So this device is where I want to save it. Say to browse office files, photos, and media, you will need to allow access to all files in settings. I'll say go to settings, okay? So that I'll allow access. I'll turn this on to allow access. I'll tap to go back, then select the storage again. Okay, so let's say this, let me give it a title, a name. Okay, so let's call it, what do we call this now? JN. Let me call it JN. That stands for journal. After that, tap on save. You can see this template is now saved in our device. So I can go back. All right. So you can see it here in the recent section. So these are just to use how you can use the templates in Word Mobile. Okay. Thank you.